Murder on the beat.
The truth will set you free, but first it'll piss you off.
Shout out to them people.
What's poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxXPANA. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button below. If you're not new to my channel, what's poppin'? What's good, sis? Welcome back. Today I'm gonna share with you guys how I transform this wig. Oh my god, guys, this is a U-part wig and it is so poppin'. So if you want to see how I got to this finished look, just keep on watching. So this hair was sent to me by LuvMe Virgin Hair Company, and along with the hair they also sent me a hair straightener, which I didn't end up using just because I tried it and it didn't get hot enough for my hair. It only goes to 392 degrees and I typically straighten my hair on 450, so I didn't really use it for this video. They also sent me the body wave wig, of course, in 20 inches, and they offer this wig in up to 28 inches. But if you want the same exact style and length that I have in this video, it is retailing online right now for $135 and it is on sale. So guys, if you were thinking about grabbing it, grab it now while it's on sale, and I definitely think that it's worth the money. I'm gonna insert a clip in here where I had like big body wave curls on it because I did curl it really small, but I wanted to show you guys the original texture of the hair. And I ended up recording this video twice just because I wasn't satisfied with my first video. But here I'm showing you guys, they have straps at the bottom where you can make the wig tighter, and then it also has 3 clips at the top just to help keep your wig nice and secure. There were no clips on the side, and so in the next video I'll show you where I added in my own clips just because I wanted it to be secure on the sides of my head. Like, that's just my thing when I'm wearing wigs. I don't like it loose on the sides. Then before I put the wig on, I did go in with a wand and I curled the hair and just used spritz to hold that in place. And I kind of wanted to make this hair like just big and full. You guys know that that's my thing. I love big curly hair. But like I said, I showed you guys with like body curls too. This hair, like when I tell you it holds a curl beautifully, like it is holding this curl, y'all. It was so beautiful. So I am going to separate the curls when it's on my head, but I just wanted to show you how tight they were and how it's holding. Now to actually prep my hair, I sectioned out a part for the U-part section, and I'm going to go ahead and just braid that down and get it out the way. I'm also leaving out my sides, like just around my edges, and I do that in case the wind blows. I don't want people to be like, girl, what is that? It's a wig. So I always do this. Even when I'm doing a weave, I leave out the sides of my hair. For the braids, I'm going to be braiding my first one down the side and to the back, and then the rest of them are just going to be going straight back. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, so I'll do one straight down and back, and then the rest are going to go straight back. These braids do not have to be super tiny, mainly because I only plan on leaving this wig on for a couple days. But obviously, like if I was going to leave it on for weeks, I would do these braids a lot smaller and just a lot neater. Next, I'm going in with my Certified Bella Beauty Scalp Therapy Oil, and I'm going to go ahead and oil my scalp. And guys, it's so important to keep your hair moisturized under your wigs. Like, that's how you promote growth. And this oil is like super bomb. Once again, it's listed in the description section. I absolutely love this stuff, and it just smells like bomb. I don't want my hair smelling like shitty underneath my wig. So all I'm doing here is braiding all the ends up, and I secure that with a rubber band, and then I'm going to go ahead and bobby pin it down. If I were to wear this wig for an extended period of time, then I would definitely sew this piece down, but bobby pins are definitely fine if it's like temporary. You just want to make sure that they're not like sticking up, so just try to tuck them in between braids when you're pinning it down. Before putting the wig on, I connected each strap to the 4th notch, and that's just to make sure that the wig is as tight as possible. It was just a little big for my head, so I wanted to make sure that it was like nice and tight in the back there. So I'm just going ahead and clipping all 3 clips at the top, and then I'm going to go ahead and clip the sides, and then I'll pull the wig down like over the back of my braids. Once my wig was secured on tight, I went in and did like a couple of the easy steps. I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron my hair, and then I'm gonna blend it in. And before I like separate the curls or do any of that, I make sure that like my hair is straightened and it's curled. And then once everything is done, then I blend it in and I like separate the curls. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you that whole process. Y'all, this wig was on flat, so I just wanted to show you guys, now that my hair is straightened, how flat the wig is laying at the top, which is like so bomb. I was like, okay. Now I'm just gonna take a piece of my hair and I'm gonna wrap it in with a piece of the wig hair also, just to make sure like it helps my hair blend a little bit better when I do that. And at this point, like, you are gonna have to use hairspray also, because like, since my hair is straightened, it doesn't hold the curl as well. So just to make sure, I did go in with a little bit of hairspray. And guys, this is my finished look here. I'm just separating the curls until I get the amount of volume that I like. And y'all, I am living, okay? Living for this wig. It is so poppin'. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, I know you saw my 50 million videos. Like, I felt like I was the one. Please tell me this does not look like a full sew-in, like just on flat. Like, I absolutely love it. So yeah, all the information is in the description section, and make sure you guys check them out. Leave your comments below. Let me know if this is a slay, guys, and I will catch you guys in my next video.